Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your PayPal to your FreshBooks so you can receive payments? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your PayPal to your FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, the easier it is for your customer to pay, the less likely they're going to go late on their payment. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshBooks, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your PayPal to your FreshBooks, what you're going to do is on the left side, there's this button here called Payments. It looks like a little wallet. Click on there. Once you do that, you will be in the payment screen. And in order to connect your PayPal up here on the right, click on this button, More Actions. And you want to click on this button here, Accept Online Payments. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and set up credit card payments if you want, or if you want to go ahead and set up your PayPal, just scroll down until you see this section here with the PayPal logo. Now they do give you a little bit more information about connecting your PayPal to FreshBooks, but go ahead and click on Connect with PayPal. Okay, once you do that, you do need to sign into your PayPal. So you want to go ahead and enter in your email address that's connected to your PayPal. Okay, so once you've entered your email, go ahead and click on this blue Next button. Okay, now PayPal is asking me to log in, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in. Okay, next PayPal warns me that FreshBooks is trying to connect to my PayPal account. Also, I want you to note that this should be a PayPal business account, not a personal account for this to work. So I'm going to click on Allow. Okay, a quick second later, PayPal gives me this pop-up saying, "Congrats, Anthony. You've been approved to use PayPal, complete payments." So let me go ahead and click on Return to FreshBooks. Okay, now I get this pop-up saying that my PayPal is connected to my FreshBooks. So I can go ahead and start accepting online payments with my PayPal. So let me go back to my account. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that the PayPal is connected. It's going to show your email right here. It's also going to show the transaction fees. So 2.9% for US clients and 3.7% for Canadian clients, plus 30 cents per transaction. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect or link your PayPal to your FreshBooks in order to receive payments through PayPal for your invoices, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.